Welcome student. Today we are going to learn measurement. Measurement is the estimation of a physical quantity such as length, area, volume, time, or temperature. This is act or process of assigning numbers to an object or physical quantities. Let's learn about measurement of area. Area is a physical quantity that expresses size of a surface. For an example, if we want to buy a piece of land, then we ask for it in terms of area, like square yards, square feet, etc. Important point to remember, area is always measured in square units. Let's learn about parallelogram. Look at the parallelogram ABCD. A parallelogram has four sides formed by two pairs of parallel lines. AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. Look at the second point. Opposite sides are equal in length. Side AB is equal to side DC and side AD is equal to side BC. Look at the third point. Opposite angles are equal in measure. Angle B is equal to angle D and angle A is equal to angle C. Let's learn how to find area of parallelogram. Formula to find area of parallelogram is base times height. See in the picture. Height of parallelogram is the perpendicular distance between two parallel sides. See the second picture. That is an example to find area of parallelogram. Length of base is 12 inches and height is 8 inches. Using the formula, we will get area of parallelogram equals to 96 square inches. Following are the three different types of parallelogram. First is rectangle. Second is square. Third is rhombus. Let's learn about rectangle. It is a type of a parallelogram in which opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other. Important point to remember. All the four angles in a rectangle are right angles. In the rectangle, length represents base, width represents height. So, formula for area of rectangle would be length times width. Let's see an example. In the second rectangle, we are given with length equals to 5 feet and width equals to 3 feet. So, area of rectangle will be 5 times 3. That would be 15 square feet. Let's learn other type of parallelogram, that is square. In square, all four sides are equal in measure and each internal angle is right angle. See the formula of area of square, that is side times side. See an example to find area of square. If we are given side equals to 6 feet, by putting in the value, we will get 6 times 6 equals to 36 square feet. Let's learn one more type of parallelogram, that is rhombus. A rhombus has four equal sides and opposite sides are parallel to each other. Its internal angles need not to be right angles. Look at the picture. Area of rhombus is equals to base times height, and when we are given diagonals, then formula would be half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Let's practice an example to find area of rhombus whose diagonals are 12 centimeters and 18 centimeters long respectively. As we learned, when we are given with diagonals, formula to find area of rhombus would be half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. By putting in the values of diagonals in the formula, we will get half times 12 times 18, and area of rhombus would be 108 centimeters square. Now let's look at the other four-sided figure, that is trapezoid. Trapezoid has four sides, but with only one pair of parallel sides, and the other pair is non-parallel. Let's learn how to find area of trapezoid with height h. Look at the figure. Here, two parallel sides represents two bases, A and B. Now, very first step is to take the sum of these bases. Second step is to multiply this sum with the height of the trapezoid. And the last step is to divide the whole result by 2. So the formula to find area of trapezoid is half times sum of two bases times the height. Let's practice an example to find the area of trapezoid. Look at the diagram given in the picture. We are given with base 1 equals to 20 centimeters, base 2 equals to 30 centimeters, and height equals to 10 centimeters. As we learned earlier, area of trapezoid is equals to half of sum of parallel sides times height. When we put in the values, we will get 50 times 10 divided by 2. By doing the calculations, we will get area of trapezoid equals to 250 centimeters square. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks for your time. Goodbye.